What's up, Twisties? It's Twisted Pandora, and welcome to my first ever fan art unboxing video. And so I mentioned a while back on my Twitter that I have a P.O. box, and by the way, it's going to be in the description down below, so if you haven't sent me anything and you want to send me something, be sure to send it to that address down below. Anyways, I announced it once on Twitter, which I should probably be announcing it like every video or putting it somewhere in the video. I'm going to get to that. So to the people who don't follow me on Twitter, don't even know that this exists, but now with this video, you know it does. And I did get actually some fan mail from you guys, so I'm excited to unbox it, to unravel it, and see what's inside these envelopes. And I got a few boxes as well, surprisingly. I can't believe you guys already sent me that much fan mail. To start off the first ever fan mail unboxing, let's start off with this letter, and it's from Adrian here. If I mispronounce your names, I apologize ahead of time. It says open only on camera, and it's kind of, I forget it's backwards, but anyways, we got ooh, what's this? Ooh, we already got it. Oh, look at this, Twisted Pandora. It's like a little banner. I'm gonna be hanging up that on the wall. And he's also sent me this. He says, hello Mike, this is Adrian, and I just wanted to say you're my favorite YouTuber, and I've been subscribed for a while now. I love the videos with the crew, and I'm so excited for the new Roblox avatar, new banner, and YouTube picture, which it still hasn't come, guys. It will be soon. My artist has been working on it, so don't worry. It's not like I haven't been out there looking. My artist has been working on it. But anyways, he says, I really see success coming for you, and I am all for it. Next envelope. Oh, you guys sent me stickers. This is so cool. Thank you so much for the stickers. I'm going to stick. What if I just stuck them on my blue screen back there? Let's take a look at the first thing in here, and boom. Oh, it's like a little card. That's so cool. It says Twisted Pandora MM2 Roblox Assassin, and inside it says, Dear Twisted, I am 12 years old and I live in Pennsylvania. I love your channel. I've been watching you, Poke, Tofu, and C-Dang and Zachary since 2016. Wow. So he's a long-time fan. When you posted your video that you had a P.O. box, I was so excited, so I drew a picture for you. It's not the best, but I tried. I hope you like it. Also, don't forget to stay awesome and keep up the good work. Thank you so much, Anna G, for sending me that. PPS, I forgot to get the hot fries. Sorry. No, it's okay, guys. I mentioned in the video when I said I announced that I had a P.O. box that I wanted hot fries, but you guys don't literally have to send me hot fries. Like, that was just a joke, but P.S. if you guys can't get your hands on hot fries, yeah, send them to me because that would be amazing. Anyways, let's take a look at Anna's photo. Look at this. This is awesome. I always want art that I can hang on the wall, and you guys see there. Look at how amazing that is. There's Joe, Zach, me, and Charlie. Definitely going to be on the wall. Thank you so much, Anna, for sending me that beautiful art. I don't want to focus on anything else, but it says John Doe right there, as you guys can see. Let's see what he's going to offer me. Dear Twisted Pandora, the community is coming with a new friend. The hack attack will happen on June 30th or June 28th. Be ready. Mwahaha. Your enemy, John Doe. Wait a minute. There's another hacking thing? If you guys know about this, let me know down in the comments below, because I'm curious. I didn't know this existed. It looks like he wrote this on homework. Thank you, John Doe. I don't know why you sent me messages to me. Got another one from Alexandra to Twisted Pandora from Alexander's or Little Bobo. Beep, boop, beep, boop. Oh, she sent me a little robot. I love you. Thank you so much, Alexandra. I really want to talk to you on Discord, and I love your videos. They are really funny. And what are hot fries? Well, hot fries is a chip from America. I don't know if it's from America or just from like Southwestern America. I don't know. But it's really, really good. Hopefully you get this. I'm a 10-year-old and I'm a big fan. Well, thank you so much, Alexandra. Thank you so much, Alexandra, for the beautiful little robot. I'm going to keep that on the wall for sure. I need to like have like a wall somewhere here. I know you guys see the blue screen, but I want to keep like a wall where you guys will be able to see in some future vlogs all your beautiful fan art on a wall. That would be awesome. Next up is a letter from Khan, and in it he says, Dear Twisted Pandora, I'm a huge fan of you. Can this be your banner for YouTube, please? Sorry I couldn't give you hot fries. My parents won't allow. That's okay. That's okay. Oh my goodness. You guys are hilarious. Best of luck, Armin. Thank you so much, Armin. Let's see what my new banner is. Now, I don't know if it's going to be my new banner because I am having a banner being made, but as a close second, Armin, I'm going to put this picture on my wall so that everyone can see your picture. I think that's a close second, right? That's pretty good. And here we have another letter. Ooh, fan mail, Mike, Twisted Pandora, the crew. That's pretty awesome right there. Hi, Mike. I love you. I am a 10-year-old girl that lives in Georgia. I am the girl on Twitter that said, I love your laugh and you're the best out of the crew. My Canadian gamer. I like to call you stuff. Can I be in the fan mail vid? Hey, you're in the fan mail vid. Congratulations. Love you and the crew, but mostly you. Please respond. Well, I mean, I technically did respond. Thank you so much. I don't know your name because your name isn't on here at all. I feel bad because I want to say thank you, but I don't know who it is. But you watching this, you probably know who it is. Thank you so much for your fan mail. Holy cow! I'll show you guys in a second what I got, but I think I'm rich. Hi, Twisted Pandora. I hope you like the picture I sketched, and the picture is also a sticker. And Pandora, please put me in the video. You're in the video already. I would love that. And I also messed up a couple of times and added a ring on accident. Oh, and this is my first fan art. Devin. Thank you so much, Devin. I feel honored that your first fan art is sent to me. And I'm rich, guys. I'm literally rich. He sent me 1 million American dollars. I'm just kidding. It's not actually like real. I imagine if this was real, but it's not. It's $1 million bill. These don't exist at all. But if they did, I'd be rich. I'd be the richest man on the planet right now. Well, not the richest man on the planet, but pretty close. Oh, wow. He did this on like a sticker thing, so I could stick this on the wall. And this is of my old character here. I think this is really well drawn. Even though you say you messed up, I don't really see any mess ups, Devin. Thank you so much for the sticker. I could stick this directly on my wall. Just plop right there. And I'm going to put this right underneath, because I'm going to remember you when I see this, Devin. I'm going to be like, Devin sent me this. You know, Devin M sent me $1 million in American money. I'm rich. Now, this one's quite a big envelope, and it's from Matthew. Oh, let's see what we got here. Oh my goodness, you sent me a lot of stuff here, like multiple pages. Let's go through this one by one. On the first page, it says, Dear the crew, Mike, Zach, Charlie, Joe, you make awesome Roblox videos. You inspire me to make a YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I don't know, hearing those words it's just amazing. It's so amazing. Oh, he said that too. I love how you guys always make fans laugh with your friends. I watched your channels for 2 years. 2 years! Holy jeez, before Roblox! And hopefully you make a video on this because you deserve awesome fans like me. That's why I made this. Stay awesome and keep up the good work. Big fan, Matthew. P.S. And Mike, can you give this to your friends and Roblox skins, please? When you do, thank you so much. Hopefully I was the first one to send you fan mail. Honestly, I got this all at once, so technically everyone here was first, and you're all in the first video, so technically you're not wrong. That's the letter part. Now, he's got like a bunch of drawings here. Let's take a look at all of them. Here we have one of the fan arts of the crew, and then next up is, I believe, oh, he sent one of each. You know what? I'm gonna give this, Matthew, I'm gonna give one to each of them when I see them. We got the big one here. I think I'm gonna keep this one though, Matthew. I really want all the art that you sent. This is a crew one. We got Joe right here, Zach there, me there, and Charlie there. And you guys probably know, I don't know why I pointed out, but I think it's really cool drawing. Thank you so much, Matthew. So let's take a look at, let's take a sneak peek at everyone. This one's mine. It says, Twisted Pandora, cool and swag as always. Deal with it. Look at the back, and it says, hope you get to 1 million subscribers on YouTube. Thank you so much for your picture here. This is an awesome picture. That's going on my wall too. Now, these ones are for the rest of the crew. We got Zach, and it says cool and swag as always. And then this one's of Joe right there. And this one is of Charlie. I really like how you have a different heart for each person. That's really awesome. So guys, I have a special little fan art because it's especially from my little brother, and he's actually a big fan of me, which is kind of cool. I've never thought that my own brother would be my fan, but this is script fighting. I played this the other day. I titled it how only noobs can play it. So it's me right there with the little claws. This one is the blue staff, and if we look up, he says, I like you. You are my favorite. I will give you the thing you want. You inspired me to make a YouTube channel, and I am 7. I already know that, so I don't know why he said that, but he said, P.S. I am his little brother. And then this is what he sent me. He has like a little Ivysaur right over there, and I think that's me catching the Ivysaur because he really likes my Pokemon Brick Bronze series. Thank you so much, Matthew. Wait, that was 2 Matthews in a row. Thank you so much to my little brother as well, because he sent me some fan art. This one is literally a box, so we're gonna take a look at that, and then I have a massive box which we'll get to afterwards. All right, we broke in. I had to like rip out a bunch of stuff, but inside, let's see what he packed up for us. Oh, wait, what's in here? To Mike, I love your channel. The box says it's sent from Lily, so I'm gonna assume that Lily sent this to me unless we find something else, but this is really, really cool. I really like this. It's like a small little art, but very, very well drawn. She also sent other things in here, and as you guys can see, it says like unwrap me, unwrap me. So I'm gonna do that right now. And inside, we got a sheriff gun right there. This is the gun she sent, and it's hard to like hold it so that you guys can see. But there you go. It's a really awesome sheriff gun. That means there's probably a knife in this one right over here. And there is, look at this, is a little knife that goes along with this gun. So the sheriff and the murderer fight it out. Ching, ching, ching. And what else? Because there's something more in here. Huh. Unwrap me. This one's a big one. Oh, what? This is so cool. This has got to be one of the coolest things I have ever seen in the history of like anything. Look at this. I don't know if I'm supposed to hold it by the head because I feel like it might come off. I don't know how fragile it is, but it's my head. You can see if we look closely, it's got my little eye there, my little cyborg side. It's got my hair, then it's got my skin, and the arm pieces move. You can move the arm pieces. Literally, this is cool. And it's like it's like a little puppet. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. And you know what I just realized? This knife, and the reason why they have a little hook at the end is because they're supposed to be hooked on right there. The knife goes there, the gun goes right there, and boom. Twisted Pandora in figurine form is holding both the knife and the gun right on my slots there, right there. See, and then these are my legs, and these are my arms, and this is my beautiful face. From your fan, 777 Heaven. Oh, I know who this is. I know who this is. Thank you so much, 777 Heaven. I see you on Twitter all the time. You have some amazing fan arts that you make for all of us. Thank you so much, Lily, or 777 Heaven. I don't know if Lily's your actual name, or it could be like someone else in your family's name. I feel bad if it's not your name. But anyways, thank you so much. It's really awesome. Now it's time for the final box of the fan mail unboxing. And this one is like actually a box. Like, look at this. I can't even be on the screen because it's so big. Thank you so much to Siri for sending me this big box. I don't even know what's in it, but I'm kind of excited. No way, Siri. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Someone did it. Someone actually did it. Wait, first we're gonna focus on the little fan art that we got from Siri. It's got everyone here. It's got Ant, Tanner, Joe over here. It's even got Mitch, Zach, me, and Charlie. It says, hey, Salto didn't save you today, Charlie. And then Charlie died because I used the knife right on Charlie. And the rest of them are like just chilling there like, oh my gosh, stop it. Hi, Mike. My name is Siri. Pronounce Siri. Oh, I'm sorry. I've been pronouncing it wrong. Siri. I am 9 years old. I love your videos a lot. I really like how you do unboxings with Matthew too. I sent you a tweet about what Matthew likes and you said chocolate. Yes, it is true. Well, it is really hot in California right now and the chocolate would melt. So I sent Matthew some Airhead Extreme Bites. Awesome. Those are really good. I also heard that you love hot fries, so I sent you some. Oh, I can't believe you did it, Suri. Thank you so much. I didn't think anyone would actually do it, but I'm so excited. I can't wait to eat this. Oh my gosh. I drew you a picture and the crew a while ago, so I was really happy I could send it to you. Can you show the other crew members too? Definitely, I will show them. I hope you like the drawing, which I do, and I hope you guys enjoy your treats. I threw them some Mexican candies that are popular here. Ooh, interesting. Keep up the good work on your videos, and by the way, I love your new intro. Thank you so much. I have the new song on Spotify, and I listen to it all the time. Hey, that's pretty cool. I was mad when I couldn't get it on my MM2 radio, but hopefully I can soon. From Suri. Thank you so much, Suri. We got some airheads like Suri said, and then we also got warheads. Thank you so much for that. And we have a bunch of these Mexican snacks. I actually have had these before. These are called pulparinos or something like that. But there's a bunch of different ones, and I really haven't had them in the longest time, so I can't wait to try them. Oh, and also Suri has sent us 2 pens and 2 erasers, one for each you and Matthew. All right, so we got our top secret UV pens. Ooh, secret messages. And then this is a little game pad eraser. I wonder which one he'll like. I'm down for either one. And last but not least, what we got is the hot fries. Woo! I'm so excited. So to everyone who doesn't know what hot fries is, here is what it is right there. Hot fries. It is the best chip in my opinion. Thank you so much, Suri, and thank you so much to everyone who has sent me fan mail today. And remember, guys, if you want to send me some of your fan mail, be sure to look at the description down below and send it to that address right now. If you guys enjoyed my first ever fan mail unboxing, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, hit the bell as well. Why not? If you're at it, you're doing all these things, mine as well. And I can't wait till the next fan mail unboxing. I'm really excited to see what you guys send me. And P.S., if you guys can send me some hot fries, I will love you forever. This is Twisted Pandora signing off. And as always, don't forget to stay snazzy.